Question number 26. The graph below represents the rate of spinal cord malformations in embryos. Knowing that in the last years there is more care for taking folic acid by pregnant women. From the graph we can conclude. Think about it. Think about it. A. Decline in the rate infection due to decrease the marriage between relatives. Yeah, if we read here the options, okay, we're gonna find out the answer. B, decline in the rate of infection due to increase in the consumption of folic acid. C, decline in the rate of infection due to the awareness of the dangers of medications. D, increase in the rate of infections due to increase in the consumption of folic acid. And by the way, if you look in here for the graph, here is the years, okay, on the x-axis, and on the y-axis there is the rate of the malformations. Okay, in 1991 it was 25, and then it declined per year because they said here that there is a increase or more care, okay, of taking folic acid by pregnant women. So as there is an increase of the intake of the folic acid, there is a decline or decrease of the malformations. So the answer here is yes, it is B, decline in the rate of the infection, okay, due to increase in the consumption or in the intake of the folic acid. It's very, very obvious.